What it do? What it do? It's your boy GM Slim. I be forgetting my own damn name that I made that one. Yeah, but that's crazy. But yeah, we in the project work truck. You know, project work truck is it's a project, but it's a work truck. But we ain't really doing nothing crazy to it, but it's a work truck. You can't do nothing too crazy to a work truck. So we just got it. I'll take a picture and put it on the channel. You know, let y'all know what it is. Something I'm just putting together. So nothing too special. Just gonna be like I said, my work truck, my daily for back and forth to work, whatever. If I need to, do some work. Work truck, work SUV, whatever you think y'all call it, whatever y'all gonna call it. But ain't no name for the truck, SUV, whatever y'all want to call it. Just project work truck. That's it. Wow. We ride right now. We gotta take some of the stuff out. We start doing getting the truck together. We gotta do a little moving around, transfer. I gotta check a couple things. What? It'll be coming. It should be coming. But we out. My glasses all crooked and shit. There you go. But alright. Get back at you. That's the days. Quick little vlog, ain't nothing else, yeah. You know, custom car lifestyle. You know, we custom cars. It's custom car lifestyle for me because I know any car I get, I'm gonna do something to it different. So it ain't gonna be the same for factory. So that's custom. So that's all we yelling right now is that custom car lifestyle, and we're gonna get it together by any means.